There's always pressure to get customers up and running fast. Traditional fit-outs rely on custom designs and on-site integration. It slows everything down and drives up costs. With Vertiv, we co-developed a flexible, consistent solution to speed up data hall readiness.
The need for pre-integrated solutions solves the complexity issues, quality issues, and speed issues being faced by on-site construction techniques.
Stick building involves a lot of coordination on site with design, installation, and test. With Vertiv SmartRun, it's a one-lift deployment and a seamless integration.
Power, liquid cooling infrastructure, fiber trays, and containment. It's all built in and deployed in one lift. We benefit from less on-site work and fewer delays.
Vertiv SmartRun shortens the timeline from contract to commissioning, ultimately meaning greater uptime, fewer surprises, and a faster path to revenue for our customers.
This means less waiting, more uptime, and quicker return on investment.